Lately, most of retail's come roaring back as the industry's having a great holiday season. And investors have realized that maybe these companies aren't quite all Amazon roadkill. It's amazing that they've turned like this. However, there are a few retailers that never fell out of favor in the first place, mostly companies that offer incredible bargains. Take Ollie's Bargain Outlet. That's O-L-L-I for you home gamers. The discount warehouse chain. Here's a stock that's been surging higher since it came public at $16 in 2015, rallying up to $52 and change today, where it hit a brand new high. But Ollie's is giving you some curious dips along the way. When the company reported a seemingly strong quarter earlier this month, a solid top and bottom line beat, the stock nevertheless sold off the next day, falling 4.4%. Upon further review, though, people realized that the company's doing very well. It didn't take long for the stock to get its groove back. So can Ollie's keep climbing? Let's take a closer look with Mark Butler, President, Chairman, and CEO of Ollie's Bargain Outlet Holdings. Find out more about how his company's doing and where it's headed. Mr. Butler, welcome back to Mad Money.
Hey, Jim.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Great to see you. Thank you for coming on, Mark. Now, Mark, the first thing that pops out at me, because we are all focused on Washington today, 38% taxpayer. So I think you might be getting a windfall from Washington.
Well, you know, I think it remains to be seen. There's a lot that's got to get flushed out with the tax situation. But, you know, after 35 years, we're very fortunate that year after year after year, we keep doing better, we do better, we do better. And our business hasn't ever been better. So we'll see what happens with the tax. We're ready to take advantage of it if we can and give America bargains.
Okay, so it's never been better, but there's also a lot of stores that maybe would have been doing worse, but aren't. Is that going to be a problem for you to get good merchandise?
Well, there's been no shortage. I've been with you several times over the last couple of years, and the buying environment of the closeout industry, it's never been stronger. It's never been better. We're seeing bigger, better, brighter, broader bargains, and we're selling name brands at drastically reduced prices direct to the consumer. The deals, there's just no shortage of deals.
Okay, now how much of that is because you've grown in scale, and how much of it is that there really are just a lot of brand name stuff around the country that needs a home?
I think it's a little bit of both, and certainly since we've gone public, the notoriety, the visibility, I get more opportunities to be on national TV with you and tell people how we make a living. And, you know, as we do, more and more manufacturers are calling us, and if there's anybody out there today who has a deal, please give me a call.
All right, well, how was December 10th? How was Army Night?
Oh, it was a wonderful, it absolutely hit our expectations.
Tell people what it is.
Ollie's Army Night
cool.
is a special night for Ollie's Army members only. You must be a member of Ollie's Army to get in. You get store-wide discounts. You get greater discounts on Christmas, on toys. The stores are packed, we're packed, and it's one of our biggest, if not the biggest day of the year.
So you're holding in around, what, 8-point-something members?
8.2 million members strong. The Army continues to grow faster than our sales, so it's really, really strong.
You called out health and beauty, housewares, toys, furniture, bed, and bath. That's a lot of categories to be doing well.
Yeah, I think, you know, as we've told the analysts, our success has been broad-based. It's we have 21 different departments, and virtually half of them comped very, very strong. So, you know, it depends on the deal we get. So if we have a deal on HBA on consumables, that's the business we're going to do. If we got a deal on sheet sets or comforters or towels, that's what we're going to do the business on.
I think people are always trying to figure out if they haven't been one, what's the difference between Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and you guys. And the answer is that the brands that you will see at your place are the brands I would see at a mass marketplace, but the prices are dramatically lower.
Yeah, also, Jim, is the inconsistency of our product. That's the bargain hunt shopping mentality. That's what people want to do. They want to come in, they want to look around, they want to shop, they want to get a bargain. And, you know, we say thanks and they come back in again. But you never know what you're going to find at Ollie's unless you stop by and see for yourself.
Great metric that you point out. People are willing to go 25 minutes away for an Ollie's. Now, they must pass a lot of stores in the interim.
Yeah, they do. And what they do is they want to save money. And that's why we're a destination. People will travel long and far to save money. And fortunately, that's what Ollie's does.
Okay, so 20 states, 200. You have a goal, though, of 950 stores. You can almost quadruple your store count. Now, you feeling pretty good about that number?
Yeah, since we've gone, nearly 3 years ago, Jim, we started this voyage as being a publicly traded company and started talking to people, and we've hit every mark that we
you
said.
really have.
Mid-teen store count growth. We did it this year. We're gonna do it again next year. We're very bullish on our prospects. We feel really good about our business. And you know, when you drive by our stores, you see full parking lots. That speaks
Yeah,
volumes.
it sure does. And you've also cleaned up the balance sheet. You're doing a lot of things right as a retailer.
Well, thank you.
Many
Thank you.
things right. Okay, that's Mark Butler, the chairman, president, CEO of Ollie's Bargain Outlet. I am so thrilled that we got you in earlier than this, but I also tell you to stick with it. Mad Money's back after the break. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.